Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're unboxing the LG 27GL83A. That's almost a tongue twister. Alright, so what do we have in the box? Alright, so when opening up the box, these are the first things you will see. We have a stand for the 27LG-GN83A. I think I said that correctly. I'm going to put that on the side. Coming with the stand, we have some cables. This is all the connectivity, and we also have the headphone stand. Under all of the cabling, we have a disk drive right here. I will install this later. Here we go. This is the mount for the LG monitor. Here's your warranty and your instruction manual. Alright, time to take this frame protection off and see what's under the covers. And would you look at that? That right there is a LG GN2783A. Alright, time to get this thing out of its box. Are you ready to see the power of editing? Here we go, we have two HDMI inputs, a audio head port or audio jack, and one display port. We also have 4 screws where the monitor mount goes in. Don't be mistaken, they are meant to stay there. Time to unpeel this very satisfying protective plastic film, whatever it's called. Man, I see these so satisfying. Comment down in the comment section down below if you see these satisfying too. Almost tongue twisted myself right there. Alright, time to unpeel. Let's see how we go. I don't think you're ready to see the very shiny base this thing has. Man, it's real good. You ready? Look at it. Look how shiny it is. And voila. When connecting your monitor mount to your monitor stand, there is a screw on your monitor stand that you have to turn anti-clockwise to basically lock it in. We also put the headphone stand on the monitor mount, so yeah, that just clips on real easy, don't worry about that. The back of the monitor has a nice red finish, but the plastic is very poor. Alright, out with the old and in with the new. Would you look at that? Alright, let's go boot her up, shall we? This is how it looks when it's booted up. Doesn't she look beautiful? Alright, so what you get in the cable thing, you get one display port, one HDMI port, one power brick, and one cable to connect the power brick. For anyone wondering at all, there's really no setup at all, so all you do is really plug in your monitor and then connect your monitor to your computer, and you're done. Alright, so this little toggle switch right here is to turn the monitor on, off, and change any current display or settings on your monitor. You can really do quite a bit on here. As you can see, you have quite a bit of visual modes and you can adjust your brightness, contrast, etc. Currently we're only at 50% brightness, and if you wanted you could really bump this up to 100% to eliminate glares in a really bright room. So let's say we go in a really dark room, right? You might want to put this to 20%, right? This monitor goes quite bright, I'm telling you, it goes quite bright. You won't have any problem with glare. Right now I'm seeing glare through the camera. I can't see it through my naked eye. So for the question everyone has been waiting for, Is this monitor actually worth it? Is this monitor really as good as they say? Well, let's keep this simple. I had this monitor for roughly 5 days, basically a week in working days. And oh boy, is it an upgrade from my 720 TV. Yeah, that screen was absolutely horrible. This is actually 200% bigger than my 720p screen. So I can edit videos now, edit photos at 200% more space than before. So the space isn't a worry really for me, and for most people, boy, it's more than enough space. It's just beautiful. For photo and content creators, you might want a 4K screen, right? Or if you're a hardcore video gamer, you might want a screen that's 240 Hz. Or if you're like me and you really want visual aspects as well as a reasonably high frame rate with amazing viewing angles, well, I really do recommend this monitor. It is absolutely amazing, really. Like, I have no complaints. The only real complaint I have is the monitor goes up and down, it vertically turns to 90 degrees, but it doesn't swivel left to right. What the heck? You could have done that, and then it would have been my personal preference. Perfect computer screen monitor. Yeah, whatever you guys call it today. Boy, is it a good monitor. I am really happy for this purchase, with this purchase. Man, every day looking at the screen, it just reminds me how lucky I am to have it. And if you want a monitor that does this to you, well, get it if you want, really. It's also cheaper than the LG GN 27A50. Haha, said it. It's cheaper than that. The only difference is it doesn't have all of the fancy USB ports at the back. If you guys enjoyed today's video, you should totally leave a like and consider subscribing, because there's definitely going to be more videos like this in the future, and they're only going to get better. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.